Hi everyone, this is Hindolo, where we build with strength, durability, and trust. You have probably seen ads for steel bars on TV, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube, right? But today, let's go beyond just any steel bar and talk about TMT bars, the backbone of modern construction. TMT stands for Thermo-Mechanically Treated Steel Bars, and the process is simple yet powerful. First, the steel is heated to an extremely high temperature that it's rapidly cooled. This creates a tough, hardened outer layer for strength and a soft, flexible inner core, just like a coconut. So why does Hindolo trust TMT bars for every project? Because they offer unmatched strength and safety. That is, first, high tensile strength. They can withstand heavy pulling forces without breaking. Second, ductility. These bars can bend and deform without cracking, making them ideal for earthquake-prone areas. Third, weldability. They can be easily welded, ensuring strong structural bonds. Fourth, rust and corrosion resistance. Perfect for long-lasting durability in all weather conditions. At Hindolo, we rely on TMT bars for every critical structure, whether it's a residential home, commercial building, or a large-scale infrastructure project. They are widely used in foundations, columns, beams, and slabs, ensuring that every structure we build stands the test of time. Want to know how different TMT bar sizes plays a role in different construction phases? Drop a like, leave a comment, and follow Hindolo to stay updated on the best construction solutions. At Hindolo, we don't just build structures, we build trust, quality, and future.